एक सीरीज स्टार्ट की हुई है क्लास 9th की बायोलॉजी की. तो in that series I have completed the topics related to cell theory and its type, size, volume, and some major topics of cytoplasm, its structure, plasma membrane's structure. That's all. And now I am going to cover the cell organelles one by one in separate videos. So please get connected with me by subscribing the channel. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and start today's video about the endoplasmic reticulum and ribosome. These both are connected with each other, and I will try to complete all the topics related to endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes that are useful on this stage, which means class 9th stage. Okay. So one major thing that please go through all the videos which I have made one by one, because it will clear your basics, and that means what is cell, its type, theory, and the major parts of the cell, nucleus, chromosomes. Chromosome and nucleus both are covered in each their separate videos. So please go through that. And now let's start today's video about the endoplasmic reticulum and ribosome. Talking about its nature and occurrence, both occur in the cytoplasm of the cell. Means cytoplasm of cell, present in the cytoplasm of the cell, both ribosome and endoplasmic reticulum. Talking about its nature, endoplasmic reticulum is found in three forms. First one is cisternae, second one is tubule, and third one is vesicle. Cisternae is a flat disc-like structure which are arranged one by one and interconnected with each other by a narrow tube, and tubules are the structure which are interconnected also, but not arranged in the disc-like manner. Cisternae are the disc-like manner, and tubules are arranged one by one in a tube and interconnected with each other, and the vesicle is simply circular in spherical in shape. Generally, endoplasmic reticulum is found in two types. First one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and the second one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. By its name, it is clear that rough endoplasmic reticulum have a rough surface by the presence of this ribosome. Okay. If the ribosomes present on the endoplasmic reticulum, it means that they are rough endoplasmic reticulum. They are arranged like this is the cisternae form of endoplasmic reticulum, and the ribosomes are arranged on their surface. Okay, they are arranged on the surface. And talking about ribosome's nature and occurrence, it is also present in the cytoplasm of the cell, but they are present in also two forms. First one is the bound form, and the second one is the free form. Free form ribosomes are present in the cytoplasm of the cell freely. This is the cell, this is the nucleus, and free form ribosomes are present freely. They can easily move from here there in the cell. And bound form is bounded, as explained earlier, that endoplasmic reticulum has some ribosomes on its surface. That means these ribosomes which are present on endoplasmic reticulum, they are known as bounded in ribosomes. Okay, and there are two types of ribosomes also. First one are the 70S and the second one are 80S ribosome. Don't go deep into this 70S and 80S. This sedimentation coefficient, not study on this level. You will discuss about it in higher classes. Only know that there are two types of ribosomes, 70S and 80S. Made up of generally endoplasmic reticulum are nothing but the expansion of the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane expand, and the membrane of the nuclear membrane interconnected with each other and grow one by one to form the endoplasmic reticulum. And further we will cover the Golgi body topic. They are also a cell organelle. They are also formed by the endoplasmic reticulum, which are separated from each other and form a endomembrane system. Endomembrane system. This system consists of the nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum. They are arranged like this. Okay. Endoplasmic reticulum, then free cisternae, then Golgi body, and then outside of the cell membrane. So the material of the nucleus is connected with the other cell's nucleus by this endomembrane system. They can also help in the detoxification, further discussed in the function of the endoplasmic reticulum. Only know that endoplasmic reticulum is made up of the extension of the nuclear membrane, and the ribosomes are made up of RNA, ribonucleic acid generally form the ribosomes, which are present on the endoplasmic reticulum and freely in the cytoplasm. Okay, and function it will be discussed in detail. Difference between smooth endoplasmic and rough endoplasmic reticulum, and some important points like endomembrane system and the detoxification and formation of some enzymes, proteins, lipids discussed in the functions. Okay, it is clear? Okay. And one main thing there is also which I have left, that endoplasmic reticulum is the membrane bounded organelle. Okay, single membrane. We remember that it is a membrane bounded organelle, but only single membrane. It have not double membrane like the mitochondria and the chloroplast of the cell. Only single membrane. It have membrane bounded organelle, and ribosome do not have any membrane, not membranous structure. Okay, not membranous structure. This is the major difference between the endoplasmic reticulum and the ribosome, that they are membrane bounded and they are not membrane bounded organelle. Okay, and now discuss about the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes also. Now talking about its function, endoplasmic reticulum is subdivided into two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Generally, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is found in the form vesicle and the tubules. Tubules and vesicle form, it is generally found in that forms. And the rough endoplasmic reticulum is generally found in the cisternae form of the endoplasmic reticulum. Upon its structure, its function is also based. It have no ribosomes on its surface, thus it doesn't participate in the protein synthesis, which is the vital function of ribosomes. Okay, and rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes on its surface, thus formation of proteins also takes place with the help of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And the smooth endoplasmic reticulum forms the lipid and the steroids, which generally not need the ribosomes. Okay, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum found in the liver cells generally perform the function of detoxification. Detoxification of one cell is generally done by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or simply said by other purpose that it is done by the endoplasmic reticulum, because the endomembrane system is there. Okay, one by one it transfers the toxic materials from the cisternae form to the tubule form. Okay, then to the Golgi apparatus, Golgi body, and then the secretory vesicle, and goes out of the cell membrane. the main function of the ribosome is the protein synthesis, okay? And generally the ribosome present in all types of cell, all types of prokaryotic and eukaryotic. If you have not learned or not have enough information about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, please go through my videos. I have made a separate video on prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell in detail. Thus, the ribosome present in all types of cell except points. Please note this point, that except mammalian RBC of a mammal, ribosomes are not present in the mammalian RBC. Okay, this is the function of endoplasmic reticulum, and some common function, that it form the skeletal framework. Okay. Second, pathway for transferring the material from the nucleus of one cell to other cell's nucleus. Okay? From one cell nucleus to other cell nucleus, it generally perform a function in transferring the materials. Okay? The genetic material is interconnected with each other with the help of the endomembrane system, and it provides the pathway, endoplasmic reticulum. So these are the basic difference between the endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum on the basis of their function, but on the basis of their structure difference. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum, they have no ribosome and they have ribosomes. Okay. One difference is also this: vesicle and tubule form. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum generally found in the form of vesicle and tubule, and it generally found in the form of cisternae structure. Second form, basis pair, and third one is the basis on their function. Okay. Some common example for the smooth endoplasmic reticulum in the testis cell, Leydig cells. Leydig cells produce the testosterone hormone, and these are present in the secretory cell of the secretory cells of any organ of the human body. Okay, because it secretes the main enzymes, and it secretes smooth endoplasmic generally form the steroid and the lipids. So these testosterone and the hormones are categorized in the steroid form. Okay, so that's all about the today's topic, that endoplasmic reticulum, its type, nature, function, occurrence and forms, and some important topics, some important words: endomembrane system, and except mammalian RBC, ribosome are present in all types of cell. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and share with your friends. Like the video if you gain any knowledge, you have cleared any concept with me. So please share with your friends and like the video. Thank you for today's video, and please connect with me for the next video which I have bring you tomorrow. Thank you.